Okay, traffic, Warrior 4333 Charlie, upwind 28, Valkyria. There you go, 1 2 path.
That was good. Can't really do much better than that.
Dipped our toes in, dipped our toes in the water.
Yeah, and off we go.
And then flipped off.
Yeah, see you later.
Yeah. So there we might have looked at, nope, 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 nope.
No, go around, go around. Okay, just go back.
Yeah, fuck this.
Yeah, don't know the area.
Cessna's departing runway 28, Valkyria.
Brilliant.
Brilliant. I don't know why I copied you. Sorry.
That was good though, I thought.
And Valkyria traffic, Warrior 4333 Charlie is on the upwind for 28, going to be departing to the northwest, Valkyria. Good day.
Good day.
Ooh! Ooh!
What's your name?
I'll give you my number.
Yeah. We'll meet up.
Oh, okay, so he's turned as well.
Whee! Oh, that was cool.
Never often get to do that, so.
Do it again, do it again.
Well, I'm reporting today, November 1 to November 4.
Oh yeah, that was cool.
How much are you looking for?
351 Tango.
That's my bowels.
Oh, class. That is fucking hilarious.
And the call sign is 17 November.
Yeah, I give that to you, that was good. That was quick. Fucking hell, R2-D2.
No. What's wrong, R2?
November 48961, start your VFR descent from Melbourne.
Sorry about that.
The other radio.
Use the force, Luke.
Should be powered on this 2 minutes.
There he is. Hey! Got him! Finally, well done. Yeah.
I think he also seen a void because he's kind of.
Well, we do have the right of way.
The bus is number 48961, VFR descent.
Well, how do we? Because he's.
Well, because he was coming that way.
Yeah, okay.
So we have the right of way.
Say now he's to our right.
No, we're both. What do we do? I don't know. What are you doing? Fingers! Report! Fingers! I'll come to you!
Over the light, over the outside for fabric.
Not doing it so much now. Look.
No, it's not. Maybe because we were running off the left tank earlier.
I know, we tried that. It's doing it now.
It is.
Are you that fat?
Honestly.
Lean my side. Yeah, see, look where we're going now.
Is it?
Going
It fucking is, isn't it? Oh, I'm a fat bastard! I'm a fat bastard! For fuck's sake!
Oh, fucking hilarious. Well, I don't know why you've lost weight all of a sudden though from the start of this trip to this way back.
Hey, well, you know.
Where the fuck did that go?
Oh, gotta watch your figure. Fucking hell. I'm single-handedly putting us out of the fucking...
Yeah, you just put us into a fucking...
I know.
Jesus.
Load factor. Get him out, please. I can't. You want me to put you in an unusual attitude?
No.
No, alright. Eights on pylons?
Nah.
No, alright. Instrument approach? Nope.
Yeah, using 2-4.
Alright. S turns?
Nah.
Turns around that tree.
Nah.
Do you want an engine failure?
Nah.
No. Fly over the power station in circle.
If you want to get arrested, yeah. I can just come out with RPG. RPG!
We're just doing an aerial burial.
Oh, good grief. Oh, there's me throwing shit at you. Stop it!
Oh. Fucking throwing shit out of the window. Please! RPG!
takes off a bit of the wing.
No, the way 33 Charlie flies, I'm sure she'd do quite well.
Balance her
Rub
out.
it off a little bit. Nah, you're alright. Thanks for the offer though.
You don't want to catch my herpes, I understand.
Yeah.
I don't have herpes. At least I don't think, I don't know. I might.
You might do.
I've not had any flare-ups,
No,
so there's no itching going on, other than the normal itching. But you know when it just starts growing hair back and it starts... No.
1. Visual approaches are in use, landing and departing runway 24. Use caution for bird activity on and in the vicinity of the airport. Advise on initial contact, you've received information, Echo.
Echo. I really want a controller to do that.
Oh, for fuck's sake, here we go. I knew it was coming. Feel it coming, I'm gonna look like a dick in your video. For fuck's sake!
Scimitar Warrior 4333 Charlie is 14 miles to the southeast, inbound for a full stop with Echo.
You said southeast?
Affirmative, southeast, 33 Charlie.
Cherokee 4333 Charlie, Scimitar, report 4 southeast for the left base entry to runway 24.
Report 4 southeast for a left base for 2433 Charlie. So, it looks like we've lost Lewis and it'd just be me commentating on all the way in. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. So we're going to turn that squelch down. I don't think we've met this guy, have we? No.
Yeah, no, this guy wasn't there.
There you go.
Texan 2,
Well,
short
you never know with me.
for runway 24,
He'll be back.
break, clear to land.
Oh, fucking nice one, mate. Me.
Star 2, and the sheriff asked me to go westbound, have Echo.
Star 2, Scimitar, present position, non-movement area, west departure,
Yep,
wind
follow.
26087.
Seatbelts are on, we're on for this tank. Mixture's rich. Approach briefing complete.
Approach speed.
Flaps are...
Cherokee 33 Charlie, in sight, directly to runway 24. You're following a Texan, he's on the base turn, and you're number 2, clear to land.
Number 2, clear to land 24, direct to 24. We'll look for that traffic as well, 33 Charlie.
Simi Tower, Cherokee 5701, Foxtrot, ready for departure at 24.
5701 Foxtrot, Scimitar, hold short, runway 24, traffic short final.
Holding short 240 on Foxtrot.
Thanks, Simi Tower, Star 2.
Star 2 Tower.
That was an awful lineup.
As soon as I can, I'd like to turn eastbound and I'll get across your approach there.
Yes, sir. Star 2, you can proceed on course, and traffic there just to your right, 1,500. I'm keeping him at that altitude. And Chase 1 is probably a mile and a half east-northeast of your position, 700 feet.
Yeah, both aircraft in sight, and there's an active pursuit with Orange County there. We're trying to just tail along.
All right, proceed as requested.
Two golf.
Yeah, Orlando, Chase 1's with you.
Simi Tower, 60 Hotel Tango, east side, front spot.
260 Hotel Tango, roger.
7 over there, orbiting.
33 Charlie, left turn on to 15, then ground point 7 on 15.
We're going to go to signature for 33 Charlie.
Excuse me, right turn golf, ground point 7, excuse me.
Right turn golf, ground point 7, have a good day, 33 Charlie.